What letter is this?
Apple.
What letter? What letter? What letter?
A.
What is the sound?
Apple.
How about this one?
B.
What is the sound?
Balloon.
How about this one?
Hat.
What is the sound?
Hat. Hat.
What's next? This one. What's this?
Dog.
What is the letter?
D.
D for
Dog.
dog.
Mommy, what says dog?
What is the sound of dog?
Woof woof. Da da da.
Next.
Mommy, what's that?
What's that?
It's a mommy elephant.
It's an elephant.
Mommy.
What letter?
Mommy, it's mommy elephant.
Mommy elephant. Okay. What letter?
E.
E. What is the sound of E?
Eh.
Eh. Eh.
Eh.
Next.
Elephant.
Next.
Flower. Next. Flower.
What letter?
Flowers.
What
Mommy.
letter? What letter? F.
F.
What is the sound? What is the sound?
Flower.
Next.
No.
Next.
Flower.
What's this?
No.
What letter?
G.
G. What is the sound?
The. Mommy, where's the snack?
G. G.
The.
How about next? What's this?
House.
What letter?
H.
What is the sound?
That's not.
Next.
Mommy, what is Peter? Is that? And Mommy,
Okay. Yan pala yun.
Peter?
Okay. Next. What's this? Dito.
Igloo.
Igloo. What letter?
Look, it's my house. And we can go inside, right?
You want to go inside? What letter is this?
Mommy, what can go there?
Yes. What letter is this?
Let me